Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will be discussing about the ardent divine love, which transcends a wayfarer spiritually and help one attain proximity to God. As the Holy Quran says, وَالَّذِينَ آمَنُوا أَشَدُّ حُبًّا لِلَّهِ. The love of the faithful for God is more intense. This holy verse verifies that without divine love, a believer cannot reach the highest level of spiritual culmination. Indeed, great Sufis in Islam experienced intense divine love, although they were often controversial because the general public could not comprehend their subtle thoughts. For example, Rumi had been controversial, but now he is the most widely read Sufi poet in the world. Shams Tabriz was the spark that ignited the fire of divine love within Rumi, who summed up his life in these words: I burnt and burnt and burnt. Rumi further explains his burning in his verses. It is burning of the heart, I want this burning, which is everything. In short, when a true believer received the fire of ardent divine love, he doesn't follow the instructions of his partial or imperfect intellect. As Allama Nasiruddin Nasir Hunzai says, Nure Shama guskile digari je parwana maya. Nure Shama guskile digari je parwana maya. Akle begana numan une shule diwana mayam. Akle begana numan une shule diwana mayam. I revolve like a moth around your luminous face. Losing reason, I go mad in the flames of your love. These lines convey intense love for the beloved. The use of moth circling the flame serves as a powerful metaphor for the soul's deep yearning and attraction towards the beloved, who is depicted as the radiant and spiritually illuminating figure. The poet defies the limitations of the human intellect, knowing that it often imposes barriers to the true love and compassion. This act of surrender and devotion makes the lover immortal. उन्ने जरिया रिंगे दुनिया ते तिलालम शोक. उन्ने जरिया रिंगे दुनिया ते तिलालम शोक. नूरे शुले खमरे फकात नरशज मस्ताना मयाम. नूरे शुले खमरे फकात. In your love, I have forgotten the world, my beloved. Intoxicated by your radiant love, I become fervent. Together, these lines express a deep and all-encompassing love, where the beloved's love is so powerful that it has made the lover forget everything else and has filled him with passion and intensity. It's a fervent and emotional declaration of love and devotion. In conclusion, through the exploration of ardent divine love, we get insight into the transformative power of spirituality and its profound impact on human soul.